Okay, now we're going to talk about how to find the slope between 2 points on a graph. And again, slope is rise over run. So the way we do this is we count the rise, count the run, and use m equals rise over run to find slope. I always like to start with the point on the left. So let's look at some examples here. So if I take this example and I'm trying to find the slope between these 2 points, I start with the point on the left. So my rise, since I'm going down, would be -2. And my run, since I'm going to the right, and I go to the right 1, 2, 3, would be a +3. So my slope is rise over run. So it would be -2/3. Another example. Here's my 2 points. I start with the point on the left, so this time I rise. I go up 1, 2, so it's positive. Then I go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, and again I'm going to the right, so that's positive. So it'd be rise over run, and then you should reduce it. So 2 goes into both of those, so it'd be 1/2. Now, the next two are kind of tricky because here, if I start with the point on the left, my rise is actually 0 because I don't have to go up any. But I do have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, since I'm going to the right, that's a +4. So my rise over run is 0/4. Now, if I got 0 on top of the fraction, that's 0. The next example, this time I actually have a rise, and it doesn't matter here since they're both on the same point on the left if you start with either one. I just started with the one on top, so I went down 5, and my run this time was 0. So I have -5/0. Now again, when 0 is on the bottom of the fraction, it doesn't matter whether this number is positive or negative. If 0 is on the bottom of the fraction, our slope is undefined. So a couple more examples. Again, here's the point on the left, so my rise is up 1, 2, 3, 4. And my run is 2. So again, I went up 4/2. So rise over run, 4/2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, last example here. Again, start with the point on the left. So I go down 1, 2, 3. Again, since I went down, it's -3. And then I go to the right 1. So that's +1. So -3/1 is -3.